Hello students, are we ready for the next problem? All right. Question says, Thomas calculates the volume of 3 cylinders in cubic inches as shown below. Which of the following shows the order of the cylinders from least to highest volume? So what's the first thing that I need to consider? Well, they want me to compare it, right? Because it says order. And they want me to order them from least to highest. So give me another word for that. Least will be what? Small, very good. Highest will be opposite of a small is big. If you're thinking about number line, then least goes with left and highest will be the right. Okay? So let's look at the numbers that are given to you here. Now, the fact that this is the volume, right? So I have my numbers given to me. So we're gonna change those numbers to decimals. So the first number is 6 pi minus square root of 4. If you put that in the calculator, be careful with the 4 because it's not just a 4. It's a square root of 4. So let's see. Practice with the calculator, remember? That's gonna help us at the end of the day. So what decimal did I get? Yep, we got 16.84. I understand you might have a lot of more numbers to the right of the decimal. We're going to be choosing only 2 of them. That's more than enough. Next one is 3 pi, and then right next to that is the square root of 3. So all of that means that you're multiplying 3 times pi times the square root of 3. Okay? So if you put all that in the calculator, you should get around 16.32. Good? Okay? What's the last one? The last one says 36 over square root of 6. That's the same thing they're saying, 36 divided by square root of 6. If you put that in the calculator, you're going to get an approximation of, and of course, we're just getting approximations, 14.69. Okay? So, since we're going to think about money, right? Money is always awesome to think of, right? So if that's money, can you tell me who has the least amount of money? And of course, we can just look at the whole numbers. We don't need to look at the numbers after the decimal. So I got 16, 16, and 14. What's the smallest number there? I hope that you think of 14. Very good. That's the smallest one, right? And that goes with 36 over square root of 6. Okay, so that's my smallest number. So that's going to be my first number when I look at the answer choices, right? Okay, so if you look at the answer choices, there's only 2 numbers, which are A and B, right? So we cannot disregard the other ones. So who's the next one? You have $16.84, and the neighbor has $16.32. So who has the least money? Very good, $16.32. And the one with the highest is $16.84. Okay, very good. So look at the answer choices. So the next one that I'm looking for will be 16.32, which is 3 pi square root of 3. So it seems to me that the answer is letter B. Very good.